Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will practice drawing from the Art for Kid Hub channel. 7 years ago.
Whoa!
But here I am drawing digital art. Okay, I will practice it straight away. Enjoy my video. There are 2 marshmallow characters. So I will make the marshmallow first. We make another one. Make a half oval like this. Let's draw a red or pink roller wafer similar to paper straw. Then we make the other half. We draw the shape of the cup. Cup handle. Next, we will make the eyes first. We draw the mouth. Add a little detail to the cup. I want to make the spoon character more festive. Add the eyes too. He looks very happy. Draw lines like this as if they were on a table. Lastly, we thicken the lines at the edges of the characters like this. Now the coloring stage. Use brown color for the chocolate part of the cup. Add light reflections using light brown color. Now the mouth is pink. Add blush by using the same color. Now color the wafer roll red. Color the spoon with gray. Then give the spoon a light reflection color using white. We also color the marshmallow. To be a little different from the Art Hub Kids channel, I colored the cup a different color. Add light reflections on the cup too. We color the table. And lastly, add the shadows to both of them to make them look better. We are done. I hope you liked my video. Who watched until the end, you were great.